To install a SlowStop bollard, first, lay out and mark the final location using the base as a guide. Remove the base. Be sure to keep the bollard an adequate distance away from any solid object to allow for tilting. Place the elastomer in the center of the location and place the adapter on top of the elastomer. Fit the base over the adapter so that it rests on the adapter flange and covers the elastomer. Again, using the base as a guide, drill 4 or 8 as required 5/8 inch holes to a depth of 6 inches. Clean out the holes from concrete dust. Tighten the concrete screw anchors in a star pattern, compressing the elastomer and making the base flush to the concrete. The anchor head must be tightened flush to the base. Insert the tube into the adapter and firmly tighten all set screws to hold it in place. Place the cap in the top of the tube and gently pound it in place using a mallet.